Hello, welcome to the Okeechobee Library channel. I'm Jessica. Today we are going to be doing a kid-friendly recipe. It's going to be the dipped apple slices. And it is for our autumn tricks and treats program. For this you will need we're going to start with 1 apple, peanut butter, melted chocolate for the topping, sprinkles, and then raisins. And you can top it with anything. You can dip them in caramel, whatever you want. Alright, so let's get started. Step 1 is cutting the apple. So kids, please get help from a parent or a guardian when cutting. Alright, step 2 is putting your peanut butter or chocolate or caramel, whatever you want to use to dip, in a microwave safe bowl and heat up. Alright, so for your peanut butter, you're going to want to heat it up till it's thinner so that it can be dipped easily. And of course you want your chocolate smooth dippable as well. So step 3, you'll want skewers to skewer your apples. Okay, so if you don't have a skewer, you can use a fork or even a toothpick. Alright, step 4, I will be dipping them. I am going to dip this in my peanut butter. Alright, and then we're going to dip the chocolate. Alright, and then we're going to be putting sprinkles and some raisins. And that's how you're going to make your dipped apple slices for this autumn. So thank you for watching. This is our kids-friendly recipe this month. And just come back and see what else we have. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and have a nice day.